The style importance of professional writing. In the world of professional writing, style is more than just a matter of personal preference. It is a crucial element that can significantly impact the effectiveness of communication. Whether you are crafting a business report, a marketing proposal, or a professional email, the style in which you present your ideas plays a vital role in conveying your message clearly and persuasively. The first impression matters. In professional settings, the first impression often sets the tone for the entire communication. The way you present your thoughts can either engage your audience or leave them disinterested. A well-crafted and polished writing style immediately signals professionalism and attention to detail. It shows that you respect your audience's time and are committed to delivering information in a way that is easy to understand. Clarity is key. One of the primary goals of professional writing is to convey information clearly and concisely. A strong writing style facilitates this by using precise language, well-structured sentences, and logical organization. Ambiguity and confusion have no place in professional communication, and a thoughtful writing style ensures that your audience grasps your message without unnecessary effort. Establishing credibility. Your writing style is a reflection of your expertise and competence. A well-crafted piece demonstrates that you have a command of the subject matter and can communicate complex ideas effectively. Professionalism is not only about what you say but also about how you say it. Consistent, polished writing establishes your credibility and enhances your reputation in the eyes of your peers, clients, or superiors. Tailoring to the audience. Different situations demand different writing styles. A professional writer understands the importance of tailoring their approach to suit the preferences and expectations of their audience. Whether addressing a team of colleagues, communicating with clients, or drafting a formal proposal, adjusting your style to resonate with your audience ensures that your message is received positively and leaves a lasting impact. Building a brand image. In business and other professional realms, your writing style contributes to the overall brand image. Consistency in style across various communication channels helps reinforce your brand identity. Whether you are writing marketing materials, social media posts, or internal memos, maintaining a cohesive and recognizable style strengthens the association between your content and your brand, fostering trust and recognition. Adaptability and flexibility. While consistency is crucial, adaptability is equally important. A skilled professional writer can adapt their style to fit the requirements of different genres, platforms, and audiences. This flexibility allows for effective communication in diverse situations, from formal business reports to more informal emails or collaborative projects. In the realm of professional writing, style is not merely a decorative element, it is a strategic tool that enhances communication, establishes credibility, and contributes to the overall success of your endeavors. As a professional, honing your writing style is an investment that pays dividends in the form of clearer communication, enhanced credibility, and a more powerful impact on your audience. Recognizing the significance of style in professional writing is a step toward mastering the art of effective communication in today's dynamic and competitive professional landscape.